Greetings, fellow mechas. Today we'll be looking at a perfect competition problem. The problem. In a perfectly competitive industry, two companies exist. These companies exhibit the following cost functions. CO1 of Q is equal to 1000 plus 1020 Q minus 80 Q squared plus 2 Q to the third. And C2 of Q is equal to 1200 plus 560 Q minus 40 Q squared plus 2 Q to the third. Due to foreign competition, the market price of output has fallen to $340. Find out whether firm 1 or firm 2 will shut down in the short run. Now, pause this video, take a few minutes, and solve this problem. Welcome back. Hopefully you were able to solve this problem. Now let's solve it together. So, we need to find out whether firm 1 or firm 2 will shut down in the short run. Where do we start? Well, we need to find the price for each firm where they will either produce in the short run or shut down in the short run. So let's start with the cost function C1. So C1 Q is equal to 1000 plus 1020 Q minus 80 Q squared plus 2Q to the third. Now let's first find our average variable costs. And to do that, average variable costs is just C1 of Q divided by Q, which is equal to average variable cost of Q, which is equal to 1020 minus 80 Q plus 2Q squared. Now we need to find our cost minimization point. And to define this, we take a derivative of average variable costs with respect to Q. So it'd just be DAVC of Q and then we derive respects to Q, which gives us 4Q minus 8, 80, I don't know, I messed up over here. 80, 80Q equals 0. So we solve for Q. We get 4Q is equal to 80. And then we find out that Q is equal to 20. So now that we found our cost minimization of Q, we're plugging Q into our average variable cost. So average variable cost of 20. This gives us 1020 minus 80 times 20 plus 2 times 20 squared. And if you plug this into a calculator, you get 220. So the firm will produce in the short run where the price is greater than 220. The firm will shut down the short run if the price is less than 220. So this is the firm's one requirements or firm's own price. Now let's work on firm 2. So firm 2 had a cost function of From 2, the cost function of 1200 plus 560q minus 40q squared plus 2q to the third. Now same steps. We first find out average variable cost of q, which is again is just c2q divided by q, which gives us 560 minus 40q plus 2q squared. Now we find out cost minimization of average variable cost, which is the derivative of average variable cost. So this is just is equal to 4q minus 40. This is equal to 0. So 4q is equal to 40. Q is equal to 10. Now we find out average variable costs, where Q is equal to 10. This is equal to 560 minus 40 times 10 plus 2 times 10 squared. Plug this into the calculator, you should get 360. So from 2, we're producing the short run where the price is greater than 360 and shut down where the price is less than 360. So looking at the question, due to foreign competitions, the market price of output has fallen to 340. Find out whether firm 1 or firm 2 will shut down in the short run. So since the market price is 340 and firm 2 requires a price greater than 360 to continue to produce in the short run, therefore since 340 is less than 360, firm 2 will shut down in the short run. And that is the solution to the problem. Firm 2 will shut down in the short run, but firm 1 will continue to produce. And that is it. If this video helped, please consider subscribing and liking this video.